Hi friends, so in this video it is all about continuation of the previous video. So we'll be doing in this video a table. Okay, so in previous video we learned about the images and the links and hyperlinks, that is href. So now in this video we'll be learning how to make the images. Okay, I mean table. For that I'll show you this thing. Okay, I'll just remove this. Okay, so let me remove of this things. Guys, if you want to understand all this logic, please watch from my part 1, 2, 3 videos, okay, of HTML. It's just a simple thing, just a 8-minute videos. Okay, it is a very simple and basic simple way it is explained. Let's get started, guys. Okay, so you know, as HTML is always with the tag things. Okay, so table has an open and end of tag. Okay, so now table, it is open table and end of the table. Okay, so it has two things, which is the table head and table body. Okay, so that is table body. Okay, so what happened? So you have to end with the table body. Okay, sorry guys, this misbehaved. Okay, so you have seen it. Now let me align this. Okay, so it's done. So there is a table head and table body. Okay, so inside table head we have to give the table design. Okay, so first we have to make it row. Okay, so open the tag and close the tag. Inside that we are declaring rows. Okay, clear and simple. There's a head and body inside the table, so we are declaring everything head and body with the rows. Okay, in head we will give table design. Okay, that is td and close with td. Okay, so I'll just give one demo like first name. Okay, and just copy this, Control C, Control V for paste. Yeah, 4 things I'll take. Okay, so this will be the last name and contact address. These are the things now. And now come to the body part. Okay, so these are the table headings. Sorry guys, actually it is th. Okay, so it is table heading, right? So you have to give the table head. So just change it to head. Okay, that is table head. Sorry for that. Yeah, so let's continue with that. And now we will declare in the table row into the body. Okay, table body. So now table body, inside that we have a row. Now we'll fill in this. Okay, so now you have to give table td. Okay, table body, that is. So in this we will fill some names like Ved, Prakash. Okay, I'll give Ved. Just copy this, the last name. So this is the first name, last name will be Prakash, and next is td is contact him, and another is td as address. Okay, Bangalore. So guys, this is the thing now. Let's check out for this. Okay, so just refresh the page. So you have got this. Okay guys, so this is the thing now, how you will design the table, but it's not looking that good, so we have to give over here as border things. Okay, so just give it inside the table tag itself, just write border. Okay, BORDER, border, and mention with the 1. Okay, 1 or 2, so you'll understand now. So this is the one thing. Okay, so if you put TH table head, it will be the bold. If you put TD, it will be the normal thing. Okay, I'll just mention at 2. So let's refresh. Okay, it's coming like that. If you give, like, you can do with cell padding. Okay, cell padding is equal to 5, and you can give cell spacing also, that it looks very clear and pretty. Okay, cell spacing is equal to 5. Save it, refresh, see ya guys. So this is the thing now we are doing with things. I'll just include some more datas. Okay, so I have included 3 things. Let me refresh. So guys, you got the concept of table. Okay, so this is how we build the table, and now we'll be doing with the order list and unordered list. Okay, so let's get started with that. As a simple, we'll start with unordered list. Okay, so you should mention in your tags. Okay, so just mention with your tags. I'll just zoom it. Okay, so yeah, so this is the unordered list. Now you are going to mention in this list. Okay, so just mention list as apple, just copy it, paste it 3 items as mango and banana. Save. Let's refresh the page. So you have got in round circle as a bold thing. Okay, so you have got the unordered list. Okay, so if you want this to be in circle or square, just use simple thing. Okay, like type is equal to SQURE square. Refresh, so you'll get in square, or else it's not visible. So I'll mention circle over here for your example. Circle, I don't know the spelling, but let's check out. Okay, yeah, it's working. So you have got the circle thing. Like if you want desk, so you'll get the desk over there. Okay, so it works on that. So this is all about the order list. Okay, this is an unordered list. Now we'll work with the order list. Just copy this, paste it, and I'll just change this tag. Okay, OL, this will be the order list. Okay guys, so there's no confusion. It's a very clear thing we are learning. So order list. Now let's go with the order list. So you are getting 1, 2, 3. If you want this instead of 1, you want like Roman thing, just mention capital I. You'll get with the Roman thing. Okay, if you just include something, some more data, you'll get some more details like 5th, 6th, 7th. Okay, see ya guys, you are getting exactly. If you want in small letter, just go with the small thing. Okay, so you'll get it. Yeah guys, so now in this, that's it. We have learned how to do the order list and unordered list with the types. Okay, so I'll just tell you, mention it over here for the reference. Like I'll just comment it in it. Okay, so you are using type is equal to capital I and small I and 1. Okay, so I'll comment this. So you are using this. Okay, so don't forget that. Like it will be very useful for you in this. In another list, you are using circle and SQUARE square and desk. Yeah, that's it. So guys, you have understood all this. Okay, this is the thing which we are just used for comments. Okay, so it will not show you. I have written this, right? I have typed these things. Now let me refresh. So there is no difference. There is no appearance of this. So this is the advantage of commenting. Okay, so it's a hint like what you are doing for of your things. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you want to know more about HTML things, just continue watching with this video. Please subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video. Thank you for watching this video once again. Thank you.